heading out of Cairo to a site called Abu Sir, which most tourists never see and most tour companies never go to because it's not thought of as being significant. However, it's part of what the Commission people call the Bu-Wizir, which means the land of Osiris. So this site we're going to is one of the most ancient in all of Egypt. Older than the Pharaoh, older than the dynastic Egyptians. It's at this site where we will see many examples of lost ancient high technology which most archaeologists dismiss or don't even recognize as existing, but which engineers such as Christopher Dunn have seen with their own eyes. We're going to see core drilling by high-speed drills. We'll see saw marks, which could probably only have been done by machines. And that's what's intriguing about this whole Bu-Wizir area. So much evidence of lost ancient high technology thousands of years before it was presumed that technology of any form that we understand existed beyond that made with the human hand under human power.
These walls are made from basalt.
Wow.
And the gate is made from granite.
Right. Oh, here are hieroglyphs.
Yes.
So you think the hieroglyphs come later than the...
Yeah. This is not the ancient. It's beautiful though.
Oh, yeah.
But there is more ancient than that.
Oh, and this is the paint that was put on over the top.
Same like here too.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe somebody used it as a living room. You never know. Look,
Wow.
there's a base of a pillar here,
Mm-hmm.
which proves that all this had a ceiling as well.
Oh, yeah.
But it was not open to the air. All these are blocks from basalt stone.
Wow. These reeds are sharp enough to draw blood. This basalt surface is incredibly smooth and flat. You can see how flat that surface is. Basalt. Very, very hard stone. Very ancient, ouch, being stabbed site.
Name.
Uh-huh.
Before the cartouche.
Oh, before the cartouche.
Yeah, so how come it's existing in the 5th dynasty complex like this? And you say that Khufu, his name is in a cartouche. He's supposed to be in the 4th dynasty.
Uh-huh.
So how come you still find the Sarach in the 5th dynasty and the cartouche supposedly from the 4th? For Khufu. This is one of the things also that it's like doesn't make any sense.
Uh-huh.
This is a cartouche, part of a cartouche.
Oh, okay.
Or probably for Nusr Ra, this one, or Nefer Efra. Yeah, we'll see a better one. But let's take a walk on the causeway of this pyramid.
Okay. And there's Saqqara in the background.
Yeah, we're so close.
Oh, it's amazing.
And the Saqqara is not because remember when we were at the Serapeum, we came that direction from Saqqara.
Uh-huh.
So the Serapeum is so close.
Oh,
The
yeah.
sites are connected.
Sure.
There's no doubt. It's all one huge complex. The marking of quarry.
Yeah.
So we know that this didn't collapse from a cataclysm.
So Yusuf Awaken just pointed this out. Look at that difference. See the right side where the stone is broken, the left side where clearly it's been cut. And if you look carefully, the spacing in between each one of those striations is, at a guess, 2 to 3 millimeters. So that means every pass of the tool had to move into the stone by 2 to 3 millimeters. The stone is basalt, and you notice that there's a curve to the cut. So this could very well have been a circular saw. And if it was, it would have to have been somewhere in the order of minimum, one would guess, 5 meters across. So nobody in modern times is going to come here with a 5-meter diameter diamond saw and cut this stone. This looks like it's evidence of lost ancient high technology. And here, this could have been pounded by dolerite stone pounders to create that shape. You can see the bruise marks in the stone, but not on that saw cut we saw back there. And it's not isolated. There are so many core drill holes in this area that's what really intrigues me with Abu Sir. We see case after case of core drilling happening, most likely in the very, very distant past. Because again, why would somebody come here in modern times with a massive core drill just to take a sample of the stone? So here we have black granite and more of these core drill holes. And you can see that clearly. You can see the striations, hopefully. There. And again, a ballpark guess is 2 to 3 millimeters per revolution. And here are my fingers to show you that these are not little things. These are big core drills going in at least as far as my hand goes in. And in this case we can't really see, but in other examples you can see that it's a drill which is hollow. It's only maybe 1/8 of an inch in diameter, or in the wall is about 1/8 of an inch boring through. And so I would guess, if we have any people watching this video that work with stone, but I would guess 2 to 3 millimeter per revolution boring into blackish granite would be a pretty fast speed, and definitely not something you're going to be doing by hand in ancient times. This I think is definitely an example of lost ancient high technology. Here at Abu Sir, sorry, in Egypt. So next to Abu Sir, we have a stone that's been quarried, but what's really quarried, obviously after. Here you have casing stone. See the flatness of the surface? More casing stone here from what's left of pyramid. But what's very cool is this. You see that when they were quarrying this stone, they split right down through where an ancient core drill hole is. You can tell it's a core drill because we can see the thickness of the wall of the tube drill that was used. Right next to it's another one, right there. Again, you can see where the core drill went into and where the core was broken off. And again, I don't know if you can see the detail, but around 2 to 3 millimeters is each turn or each cut of the core. Pretty amazing. They're more over in the distance there. Go check those out next.